Hi everyone. Thinking about quality control should start very early in your importing journey from China. It's definitely not something to consider at the last minute, just before your products are ready to ship. Honestly, the best time to plan for quality inspections is right when you are looking for a supplier. When you talk to potential factories, you should also be thinking about how you will check the quality of your products later. This shows the supplier that you are a serious buyer who cares a lot about quality. It sets a clear expectation from the very beginning of your business relationship. When you create a budget for your product, you must include the cost of inspections. This is just as important as the cost of the product itself or the shipping fees. You should have your quality standards ready before you even place an order with a factory. This means you need to know exactly what you expect from your product, what materials should be used, correct dimensions and colors, and what functions it must have. You should write all these details down in a clear document. This checklist is very important. It will be the guide for the inspector who checks your products and for the factory, so they know exactly what you expect. The first step in the inspection process is to choose a reliable partner to perform the quality checks for you. You need a company that you can trust to be your eyes and ears in the factory. Companies like Yansourcing have a long history of helping importers with quality control. We help you find a trustworthy partner or can manage the entire process for you, ensuring that your interests are protected at every stage. On the day of the inspection, a trained inspector travels to the factory where your products are being made. The inspector usually arrives after production is 100% complete and at least 80% of the goods are packed. The inspector will use your quality checklist as their guide, checking packaging, examining products for defects, verifying measurements, and performing specific function tests you requested. Throughout the inspection, the inspector takes many clear photos of the factory, products, and any defects found. These photos are crucial evidence and will be included in the final report. Within 24 hours after the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report with photos, defect categorization, and clear recommendations about whether to accept, reject, or request corrections. When you receive an inspection report with a fail result, don't panic. This is exactly why you paid for an inspection. It has stopped a bad quality shipment from leaving the factory and reaching you. The first thing you should do is carefully review the report to understand exactly why it failed. Look at the types of defects found and how many there were. Are they major issues or minor cosmetic flaws? You must contact your supplier immediately and send them the full inspection report. The photos and detailed descriptions are your evidence showing the exact problems that need to be addressed. Common solutions include asking the factory to sort and rework defective units, negotiating a discount for minor defects, or in serious cases, rejecting the entire shipment. A reliable partner like Yansourcing can help negotiate the best solution. The cost of a pre-shipment inspection in China is very affordable. The industry standard rate is usually between $250 and $320 per inspector per day, an all-inclusive price covering inspection, travel, and detailed reporting. For around $300, you get peace of mind and protection for an order that might be worth tens of thousands of dollars. A good inspection report gives you the power to negotiate with your supplier and avoid major financial losses. For most importers, especially if you're new to sourcing from China, pre-shipment inspections are essential. The risk of receiving low-quality goods is too high, and the consequences can be devastating for a small business. While you might skip inspections for very small orders or with long-trusted suppliers, even experienced importers usually inspect every shipment because things can go wrong. New workers make mistakes, or factories might change materials without notice. Pre-shipment inspections are a powerful and affordable tool for anyone importing from China. They save you money and prevent major headaches by catching problems before they leave the factory. By planning early, preparing a clear checklist, and working with a reliable partner like Yansourcing, you can make quality control smooth and effective. Build inspections into your sourcing strategy from the beginning. It's the smartest way to protect your investment and ensure long-term success.